Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to hyperlink an email address in Google Gmail. This simple trick makes your emails more interactive and professional, letting recipients contact someone with just a click. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, click the Compose button at the top left corner. This opens a new email draft where we'll create our hyperlink. In the body of the email, type out the email address you want to hyperlink. Be sure it's typed correctly. Even a small typo can break the link. Next, highlight the email address. Click at one end of the text, hold down your left mouse button, and drag across to the other end. This tells Gmail exactly what text to link. Now, look at the toolbar at the bottom of your Compose window. Find the chain link icon. That's a link button. Click it to open the hyperlink options. In the dialog box, you'll see your email address already filled in. You can click change if you want to adjust the links function, like opening a new email draft address to this address. Once ready, click apply. You'll notice the email address is now underlined and colored differently. That means it's an active hyperlink. Congratulations! Your Gmail draft is now interactive and professional. With practice, hyperlinking makes your emails cleaner and encourages recipients to respond quickly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to master your digital communication tools.